but it make me feel better. I'm trying to get you out my
When I tell you my ass is hungry, my ass is hungry. So this is just preparing my plate. Preparing my plate. So this is my baked potato. Toppings, I put some cheese, sour cream, butter, and all of that. I got some bacon, so I'm just gonna crumble up the bacon, you know, by hand. Get some bacon bits going. If the bacon could fall into the thing. Some bacon bits going. Got some green onions, little greenery, you know what I'm saying? That's enough. So this is my baked potato. Then I got some shrimp. So my shrimp and stuff. So some of them are air fried and some of them are grease fried. I like the grease fried. I'm doing both though. The air fry came out a little better. Some my onion rings, a few onion rings, and just small like that. Now, I'm only gonna eat one side of the potato because I'm trying to save it for later. So we're gonna do that like this here. And put that in here. And then wrap that up. So we can have something for dinner later. And that's my plate. Simple, just a little something before I go do some work. So here's the finished product. Cheese, butter, salt, pepper, garlic salt, bacon with some salmon. All in my air fryer. Yeah, I'm cooking today. And then after this, I have to go to the library to get some work done on the computer and maybe get some books out for my daughter. And that's pretty much it. So see you in a few. We want to see all of that. Well, they were saying do my hair through the fucking camera. Like, what are you even talking about? On a blow up bed. Accountability. I want to go to the gym and I want to go to somewhere. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I had some appointments this morning, so I'm downtown. I'm on Wall Street in New York. What is this? So yeah, now we're getting some breakfast, and that's pretty much it. My appointment was so fast, and I'm so happy. Thank goodness. In and out, because it was at like 8 o'clock in the morning. So now let's go get some breakfast. I'm growing the plants. Looks so cool. I'm doing sunflower seeds. So finished cleaning my fridge. I'm so happy. Everything is all cleaned out, nice and sparkly, clean. I try to organize as much as I could. Like dairy is over here, and then I have my drinks over there. I have a lot of how you say it, condiments, and all my cheese. So, and then this is what I'm gonna eat for dinner tonight, some steak. And then we got some applesauce over there. So, and then, you know, caramel jelly, some ginger ale. If you know me, I love ginger ale. And that's it. So next is the freezer. And I'm so happy. I've been hacked on my Cash App. All my accounts have been hacked into for whatever reason. This person has stolen my money, took my money, everything. I'm gonna file a police report because, like, what else can I do? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what else to do. And I have like thousands of dollars taken from me. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, it's been so inconvenient. I've been going through this all week. Like, just all my accounts. I'm just like, what is happening? How is this happening? And the crazy part is, like, the person name, because it's on my Cash App. It's on my Cash App, and if you're familiar with Cash App, then it, you know, like, it shows you, like, the person name or whatever name they have. But the person name, the first name is my ex name. It's not the same spelling, but it's my ex name. And I'm like, it cannot be my ex. Like, my last relationship was horrible, but like, nothing happened for you to be doing this. I don't know. It's just so weird. It's so weird and it's so crazy, and it's been such an inconvenience because I'm moving right now. So it's like, I need my account, I need my transactions, I just need my money, you know what I'm saying? So I end up taking out a bunch of money out the bank. I need to count it. I end up taking out a bunch of money out the bank. Like, it's not that much, but it's, you know, it's a little grip, because, like, you know, I just want to be sure. Like, you know, you can't hack into hard cold cash. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure this is everybody's favorite thing. I love counting money. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. I gotta. I hate all of that. It's too much. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How's everybody?
Okay. Look at that. I love that. That's so cute. It's a showroom. Home Depot. See, they have like home stuff. Hi. Smart plants. They have plant stuff. Stuff for like your home. So look at this. Look at these cactus. Are they covered? They're so cool. Look, they're different colors. like these too. These are 8. These are nice. And these are real. They don't feel real. Alright, we're looking for plant food. Garden tools. What's this on? What's this? See, this is our foil. Plotting, decorative plotting mulch. So we don't need that now. And this is big ones. I'm pretty sure I have. Screws. Oh, parsley, cilantro, oregano. Oh.
I feel like that was a little. You should definitely not tell someone.
You get fresh ingredients. Pineapple sage, thyme, catnip, lemongrass, thyme. That's cool, right, babe? Greenhouse, seed starting greenhouse we're extending. What's this? 4 seed starting jiffy pots. Like quick. We can use these too.
We don't need that.
We don't need that right now. Be careful. It's just more plants. We are looking high. I'm looking for plant food.
Plant food, you see this arm right there is gonna be straight down. It's about like on the left side of the soil.
Okay, thank you. Oh, and they have more stuff over here. Look. For pots. Plants and pots.
Delicious.
They're not delicious.
No.
Okay. Be careful. Lower price. Then we got the big plants. Gotta get some big plants. I want some of these like in my doorway. Oh, good. It's over there. Excuse me. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi.
Again, no dirt in there.
Okay, good. They got the kind I was looking for. For 5.
Hey, you get 2 and like just hold it.